The biggest discovery has finally been released by NASA. How much do we know about NASA? Sure, I mean, we all pretty much understand that they're the ones responsible for any space exploration on behalf of the United States, and that they're always announcing new discoveries of stars and moons and other things found out there in the universe. But what about their biggest discoveries? What about their secrets? You've come to the right channel, because Top 5 Supreme certainly has you covered. Before we get started with today's video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell to get notified every single day with the best tops you'll ever see. So let's get rolling. What crashed in Roswell? Let's start all the way back in 1947. The city is Roswell, New Mexico, and mass reports of a crash landing were registered, almost sending the city into a panic. What's particularly strange about this incident is that it wasn't an airplane or any other recognizable human flying vehicle that crashed. According to people who were there, it was a UFO. Of course, NASA and the United States government denied that claim and even presented a statement saying that what had fallen was simply a weather balloon. But if that's the case, why did they keep the images of what landed from the public? 95 new planets. So this next story is pretty cool. Back in February of 2018, a startling discovery was made by a telescope in NASA. 95 new planets. Yes, 95 were just discovered beyond our solar system. The planets include all types and sizes, and even included some that resembled Earth's size and atmosphere. The telescope used to make these discoveries, called the Kepler telescope, has now discovered over 300 planets since they first started using it. Now the big question is, do you think there's any life on any of these other planets? Let us know in the comments. In the sky. The third video on today's list has stumped some of the smartest people on the planet. Near the end of 2017, NASA employees and other astronomers were completely shocked when they saw this, an oddly shaped object floating through the sky. This large, what looks to be UFO, was quickly just dubbed as an interstellar object, which is a fancy way of saying that they don't really know what it is. The one thing that they do know is that the way this thing is shaped, it is primed for traveling through space. Does that mean this was constructed? If it was, then by who? Organic matter on Mars. In June of 2018, another startling NASA discovery was made when they announced that the Curiosity rover, the small machine on wheels that was sent to Mars to collect data, revealed that it had found ancient organic molecules that are the building blocks for life. This could mean that there are in fact microorganisms still to be found somewhere on the red planet. All of this, of course, means that NASA will rev up its search for alien life, and that there are multiple missions scheduled over the next decade that should shine more light on exactly what's going on out there. Alien Ocean. Now, number one, in 1997, another vehicle from NASA, the Galileo probe, reached one of Jupiter's moons, Europa. What was found out there is pretty remarkable. Water, lots of water. According to NASA's report, this moon has more water on it than the Earth. The funny thing is that scientists at the time didn't even notice that the spacecraft had encountered any of the water, but upon further analysis, they found out that wasn't true. The Galileo actually flew directly through a giant stream of that water sprayed up from the ocean. They expect more events like this in the near future and hope to have another craft in the area when that occurs, so that we can further analyze that water. Ultimately, they want to be able to make the decision as to whether or not the water, and ultimately the entire planet, could be inhabitable. Check back to Top 5 for more updates on this cool story. And that is today's list. Thanks for watching today's video. If you like this list, leave a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you never have to miss out on any of our interesting videos ever again.